Join us for a sneak peek at our Thai cultural tips in our language lesson at New Stanford School, an accredited language school recognized by the Ministry of Education. Do you know how to use bumgun in Thailand? Immerse yourself in Thai culture and language by subscribing to our channel to learn more. In most Thai bathrooms, you'll find a bum gun located near the toilet. It's a handheld sprayer with a nozzle designed for personal hygiene. Before using the bum gun, you can adjust the water pressure to your liking. While bum guns are common in Thailand, Western-style toilets with toilet paper are also available. Some establishments may have both options, so choose the one you're comfortable with. By understanding and following these practices for using a bum gun in Thailand, you can ensure personal hygiene and show respect for local customs. Stay tuned for more cultural insights and practical tips in our upcoming episodes. Restrooms in different countries may have different methods of use, but if you've ever used a bum gun like the ones commonly used in Thailand, you'll surely find it easy to like. Join us for our language lessons to delve deeper into Thai culture and language.